Hello guys! Hello guys! For today's video, mag-unboxing tayo. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko muna syempre mag-thank you sa aking papa dahil siya ang bumili nito all the way from Australia. Thank you so much po, Papa. So, this is wireless microphone set. This product is from Rode and it is called Wireless Me, kung saan may kita natin ang transmitter at ang receiver, which is ikiklip sa phone, also sa suot na damit. Dito naman tayo sa kabilang side. Nakalagay dito sa kabilang side, two-way interview, works with cameras and smartphones, free road video, and audio app. Dito naman tayo sa kabilang side. This is for USB-C devices made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. At the back side is more on the description of Wireless Me, like it works with cameras, computers, and smartphones, iOS, and Android. Unboxing time! Let's see what's inside the box. Meron tayo ditong box for Wireless Me accessories that contains cables na kailangan ko. First, this is USB-C to USB-C cable na gagamitin ko since ito yung compatible sa iPhone 15 Pro Max. May other cables din na compatible sa ibang gadget. Meron din tayong 2 for windshields, which is very useful sa pagvo-voice over ko and during outdoor content videos. Meron din tayong Mag Clip Go. Ito naman yung pouch na tama lang yung size para paglagyan nitong mga accessories, all sa transmitter and receiver. Next is the regulatory and safety guide. And the last one is the transmitter and the receiver. This one is the receiver. Nakalagay sa kanyang backside na RX, which means receiver. Ito yung i-connect ko sa phone ko. Ito namang isa ay ang transmitter. Nakalagay dito sa likod, TX, which means transmitter. Ito naman yung ikiklip ko sa aking damit.
Wow! Wow!
Yun lang guys! Thank you guys for watching! Don't forget to like and share my videos! Happy 25K followers! Bye-bye!